Take it.
What's up, everybody? This is my 2016 CRF 450R. Picked this up on Marketplace for super cheap, really good deal on it. I'm going to be doing a rebuild on it to get it from that stock look to a more race bike and really clean low look. We got black plastics, black gas tank, graphics kit, brake levers, grips. I'm going to be putting tubes in the tires, all that stuff. But yeah, I'm going to just keep this short and sweet and get into the breakdown, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, we're done building the CRF. I'm very happy with the turnout on it. It's a great looking bike. Everything looks super clean. I'm very happy with the black and red look. We were going to put tubes in the tires, come to find out that they're foam filled, so that's a plus. I picked this bike up off a marketplace about 2 to 3 weeks ago. It had a cracked gas tank, all the plastics were broken, there was missing bolts, the stickers were falling off the plastics. They had broken clutch levers, the grips were falling apart, the air filter was completely disgusting, and the bike was very dirty. So I completely redid all of that, cleaned it all up, got everything looking brand new, and got everything brand new. But yeah, we did the single exhaust pipe, very loud, so it sounds great. It was a very fun experience building a bike. This is my first 450. So I will be selling this very soon. So let me show you how I walk this dog.